Yawning, you know it, you've done it. But have you ever wondered why this simple act can spread like wildfire in a room? Let's dive into one of nature's quirky mysteries. Scientists are still piecing together this puzzle. One theory suggests yawning could be a way to cool our brains. Yes, just like a computer needs a fan to cool down, our brain might use a yawn to chill out during overheat moments. But here's the kicker. Why do others yawn when they see you do it? It's believed to be linked to empathy and social bonding. That's right, seeing someone yawn could be your brain's way of saying, I feel you, buddy. This involuntary action kicks off a chain reaction, making yawning one of the most bizarre forms of human connection. So next time you yawn and set off a room-wide yawnathon, remember, it's just your brain making some cool connections.